Hi, I am Shana Allen, and I am one of Ann's clients, and we are here at this 18,000 square foot mansion in Branson, Missouri, overlooking the beautiful Table Rock Lake. And we have done some amazing things in the last 3 days. We've done zip lining, we've done a dinner and show cruise, and Ann has brought in amazing chefs in the Branson area to cook exquisite meals for us, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Also, the photographers that have come in and just taken some amazing shoots for us for our marketing and other things that we need for our business. But the most powerful thing that we've had is those workshops and those roundtable discussions and that one-on-one individual attention that I've received from Ann have been so powerful. And the value Ann has brought that to such a high level that I have never experienced in all of the things that I have done with my business. So, and then the coaches that we've gotten together and created such unique packages for each other, for our own individual businesses, for our own client needs. So it's not just a cookie cutter training, it's individual what we need specifically for our businesses. And the synergy in the room is something I can't even explain or have words for. So this is an event you must attend.